In this video, I will show you how to track a specific button with CSS Selector. Hello everyone, I am Rakiubl Islam. I work as a freelancer. First of all, we just go to our Google Tag Manager account and just connect our website back in Google Tag Manager account and connect our analytics with Google Tag Manager. I hope you can do it. So go to our next step. Just go to the variable sections and just click the category options and just open this kind of options: the click text, click element, click class, click URL and click text. Okay, so next work is just preview it. Just preview and just connect. Okay, so we just tracked our this find more buttons. So just click here the find more and go to the tag assistant, and there is the link click option. Just click it and just go to the variable sections. We guys just look at that. There is many kind of options here: the click text, the click class, click ID, click trigger, click text, click URL. We will don't tracking our button like this. So just go to our website's backend and just click the right button and go to the inspect options and just click the arrow buttons, and we just select this total buttons. Just click here and there is a class here. So we just click the right button, just go to the copy and just select the copy selector. Okay, just copy it and just simply paste here. Just notepad, just paste here. And our next work is just create a new tag and just click the pen icons and we select our Google Analytics GA4s and send here the measurement ID. So we just go to the admin options and go to the data stream. Here is our measurement ID, so just copy it and paste here. Okay, and we just write our event name. So button click tracking. So we just write our event name and just trigger it. So just click the plus icon and click the pen icons and just select the all elements and click the sum clicks. So just click the click elements and here to select the CSS selector and just paste the CSS selector elements. Okay, just copy it and paste here and just write our trigger name. So just write button click trigger. Okay, so just save it and there is just look at that our measurement ID just here, our event name and our trigger. So we just write our tag name button click tag and just save it, and our total process is okay. So just submit and go to the workpage and just preview it. And we can also our data in Google Analytics 4. So just open the debug view options, just go to debug view and connect our Google, and there is a connect. Just see that our Google Tag Manager and our website is already connected. So we just click our text and click our total boundary. Anywhere we click our this button is already tracked. So just click the boundary options and go to the analytics. So button click is already fire, and we just check out our Google Analytics 4. So just look at that, is button click is already here. So look at that, there is a 2 tag is fire here. Okay, and go to the analytics, just look at that. Okay, just look at that, our button click is already here. So that is for today guys. I hope you can understand how to track the button click with CSS Selector. So is there any problem, you just contact me, link in the description. Thank you.